Hey guys, so I have here my JBL TUNE750BTnc wireless headphones, and I want to show you how to pair these to your Android phone. So in case you want to connect these to an iPhone, I suggest you check out my other video here in the upper right corner. But now let's get starting with the process here. So first of all, of course, we're going to turn on the headphones by pushing the power button for just a little more than 2 seconds. And we should see this little LED here start blinking in blue. And that indicates that we are in the pairing process, so in the pairing mode. And in case you don't see this happening, then you can take a look here at these buttons here where the plus and minus buttons are in the middle. We're going to press this button here for just a little more than 2 seconds, and that will also force these headphones into the pairing mode. And now you see this here blinking in blue successfully. So at this point, now we can put these headphones to the side. They are already in the pairing mode, so we don't need to do anything there anymore. Now we're going to switch here to our Android phone, and we're going to go into the settings menu here by just swiping down on the screen and then pressing here on the cogwheel, and there we see connections, and here you have Bluetooth. And we're going to enter this menu here, and then we're going to enable Bluetooth. You see here this is off at the moment, so now I'm turning it on, and now it's going to scan for available Bluetooth devices. And on the very bottom here we already see here JBL TUNE750BTnc. We're going to select this, and it's going to make us confirm that we really want to pair this here, and we agree to that. And now it is already paired and it's ready to be used. We can listen to our music, whatever we want to do. So you see here, if I go into my music app, then I can start playing my songs here, and we can hear this here coming out of the headphones now. So now you may be wondering, do you have to do this process every time you want to use these headphones? The answer to that is no. You really have to do this only once. So this pairing process is completed, and the phone and the headphones are going to remember each other the next time. So if we now turn off the headphones here by just pressing the power button for 2 seconds, then at this point they're going to disconnect from the phone. And the very next time you start up the headphones, then you see here they're going to automatically connect back to the phone. And you can also see here the battery percentage on of the headphones. So right now the headphones are 70% charged. And yeah, so this is already it, the Bluetooth pairing of the JBL TUNE750. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any more questions, leave a comment below. Don't forget to check out my other videos about these headphones.